New Wacky Puppets holiday merch available. Get them now because after the 26th, they're gone.
Sponsored by W Energy Powder for Gamers, bro. Salutations, everybody. Wacky Nation, it's me, Kyle, Grungus,
And Earl, we gotta talk fast because this menu don't like us.
Yeah, we're playing a game about Grungus.
I don't get it.
Okay, so Grungus, what's the story behind this?
Okay, you're the Grinch, you have a bunch of gadgets, but you're stupid, so you leave them out in front of a cave and they all get blown away. And now you gotta go down to Whoville and get your stuff back.
Okay. Was any of this in the book?
Yeah, it's like chapter 10 through 25.
It was a chapter book?
Yeah. Grungus. No, Earl. It was a chapter book, right?
Yeah, it was a chapter book. He's got fans in this cave.
I guess so, it stays cool.
The strength of the Grinch is a legend.
Oh yeah, forgot.
There's nothing.
The narrator is Space Ghost.
Grinch muscle and will.
Or the voice is Space Ghost.
Okay, let's see. Whoa! Dang. He must got a gym up here. Select to control Max.
Go, Max!
Oh, we're the dog! Oh, cool! We're adorable. Okay, we go through here with the dog. Guess we're looking for a keep. What? What is that thing?
I don't know. Maybe the Grinch built it.
With what? This cave is empty!
To access the next room, please identify yourself with the breath analyzer.
An anti-who tool for which no blueprints exist is the smelly Grinch breath, which cannot be missed.
Dude, what's with the
Appears in
bubbles?
shape of a rancid green cloud, and can be used anytime it's always allowed. This fog reveals things the naked eye can't see. Also, its rank odor weakens the enemy.
See, I told you it's about you, Grungus. He's got bad breath.
Your breath is worse.
My throat rotted away. What's your excuse?
I like onions.
Oh my. No doubt. You're definitely the Grinch.
He programmed that thing to cough and suffocate when he breathes into it. That's kind of sadistic.
Look who we are.
In these super dolls, he must do something first. Break all kinds of presents, make the packages burst. Once he's passed through this threshold, he'll be in a
1509?
A delirious place.
Does that say 25 or 7,500?
Okay, 750. Okay, keep going. I am. Okay, 2,500.
That's still unreasonable.
50. They're not even in order, bro. 2,500, then 1,500. Jeez.
Okay, how do we get to Whoville?
Go to downtown Whoville.
That was easy.
Whoa! He is crushed. Yeah, that thing is way too tiny for him. My eyes broke one.
The Grinch just
Can I... Okay, we can skip it. Thank God.
We got a green thing.
Okay, let's just... So stay away from the kids, because they'll try to hug you. Like, does personal space just not exist in Whoville? It's another green thing. We don't know what it is. Good, that we scared that guy.
another one. Hey!
I knew something would happen.
Hey, look, we're in the newspaper.
I think we need something to pick those out, like a gun. You're doing a good job ruining Christmas, Kyle. I could do better.
You'll get it, man. It's just, it takes some time to refine.
Hey, I'm looking at the box art. Kyle, you see this? What? There's 2 Grinches on the cover.
Some scoundrels are awkward, clumsy.
Probably needed to hear that.
Dude, I'm still... Why are there 2 Grinches on the cover? It looks like they had an original art on it, and then they swapped it out with, like... They just overlaid something else. They didn't put something new in.
No, they're just 2 Grinches, because it's a callback to how there's another Grinch surviving after the Great Grinch Wars.
Okay, now I know you're screwing me. There is no Great Grinch War.
Earl?
I don't want any part of this.
Yeah, chapter 67, The Great Grinch Wars. It's a flashback sequence. It lasts for like 4 chapters. A bunch of Grinches die in a fight with the Who's. Like, there's only a handful of Grinches left.
I'm having trouble believing you, Grungus. You mean to tell me Dr. Seuss wrote an almost 70-chapter book about the Grinch's lore and backstory that included a Great Grinch War?
Hey, that guy's painting.
Boom! Little brat.
To complete all his missions,
Shut up.
Great, you just found a paint bucket.
There's a snowman. I'm going to get the snowman. Whoa, what's that guy doing?
See if we can smash the present.
I'm going. Ah, get off! Hit him! Wait, what did he say? Okay, he turns us into snowmen? We can't change the clock. Oh, it's another kid! And another bug.
Why does he call us Big Daddy?
That ain't right. That's not right. I can see why this got the least amount of votes. Where'd the post office go?
Hello, fellow Who. The Whoville Post Office.
And it looks more like a bank. Oh, it's Cindy Lou Who.
And she's got a piece of her blueprint.
Oh, now she's following us. What the? Whoa! What is that?
Looks like a laser?
Okay, Earl, was this in your, We barely touched it. Was this in your, Dr. Seuss multi-chaptered book that the Who's have red security lasers?
You're too big to get in there. Door's locked from the inside.
Go, Max!
Oh, the security system doesn't even care if we're a dog.
Whoa, what? What?
Did not expect this.
We're just running through vents as a dog. Go, go, go! Oh,
No risk at all.
okay, get in, break presents, get out.
Oh wait, we gotta shuffle the mail.
Okay, let's see if we can do it.
Wait, why is the mask blinking?
I'm good.
So that means another. Okay, that's a yellow door.
Go, Max.
So we send the dog in through the yellow vents.
These are huge vents.
Okay, go!
Going! Come on, come on, come on! No remark that time?
Don't cross the beams.
Go, go, go!
My heart.
You found the heart of stone. You are now more resistant.
Go, Max.
Okay, this time we go for the gray vent.
We lost. Are we lost? We're not lost.
Sure, looks like we're lost. We don't even have the camera on our side now. Oh, there we go.
What I don't get is, why make the vents... I understand sending Max to the vents, but why make the vents big enough for... well, big enough for a Grinch?
Go, Max.
Why make the vents look like they're big enough the Grinch could have just walked in here?
I don't know.
What I don't get is, I understand, what I don't get is, why did they make it look, why do the vents look like they're big enough the Grinch could just walk in here himself? Because this is a game for toddlers, Earl. Was it meant to be analyzed by a bunch of adults? Trying to find Gray 5. And this is getting irritating. We've been trapped in here for 4 hours.
We live in the vents now.
We're vent folk.
It's cold in the summer.
Warm in the winter.
We subsist on condensation.
And we eat rats. Are you two done? Where the hell is this vent?
Somebody help us.
Kyle! What?
Earl is dead.
What? That's right, I'm dead serious about finding that damn vent.
So we checked the walkthrough, and apparently
You have to go through all 4, and then door 5 will just be open.
it was so well telegraphed.
I'm not angry at all.
I'm angry.
Who are you? Well, you're
The Grinch!
They had to do it. It was in the trailer.
Ready?
Fire!
Don't do anything to the speaker.
But we gotta shoot at the presents.
Okay. Right, let's try it. Nothing. Oh, come on! Okay, we used the breath this time. Oh,
That was crap.
finally!
That was too easy.
No, it wasn't!
You need sculpting tools.
So you're saying we just did all this for nothing?
Kyle, are you okay? I'm gonna play for a little bit. Kyle had to step out. I've gotten through 5 houses so far. Earl, how's Kyle doing?
He's just kind of been outside swearing at the top of his lungs for like 10 minutes.
I'm gonna see if I can get this objective finished, then maybe we'll wrap this up.
Rongus.
I found it! I finally found it! It's over.
Thank God.
Yeah, Grinch!
I think we've tortured ourselves long enough. Kyle is refusing to come back inside until this game is off.
So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment.
We hope you all have a good Christmas and other holiday seasons.
Have a good day, Treyblowski Nation.
2100 strong and growing.
I have a sudden urge to want to beat up Jim Carrey.